Array function is useful because we do not need to do everything just with for loops, and the code looks cleaner. Let's say we have an array of 4 numbers and we want to add every numbers in the array by 3. For example, we just need to simply write like this, then each number will add by 3. Let's print out the result, and as you can see, each number is added by 3. Also, we can extract this to a function so that this looks much meaningful. For example, we can create a +4 function, which is equal to number, and each number is added by 4, and then we create a +4. We just need to copy this one. And then we pass the +4 functions inside the map function. And then we print out the numbers. And as you can see, this time each of the values in the array is added by 4. So this is how these map function work in the arrays.